Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on how to enable or re-enable your DoneEx XCell menu. As you can see here, this is my Excel ribbon menu, and the DoneEx menu is just not showing up. To resolve this, I go to the File menu, then Options, then Add-ins. Then I determine whether my Excel compiler is under Inactive Application Add-ins or Disabled Application Add-ins. As you can see here, my DoneEx XCell Compiler is under Disabled Application Add-ins. To resolve this, I select the drop-down menu next to Manage, and I select Disabled Items and press Go. I select the disabled item and press the Enable button, and then I close this window and press OK. Then I go back to File, Options, Add-ins, and I can see that Excel Compiler has moved up to Inactive Application Add-ins. To resolve this, I select the drop-down menu next to Manage again, but this time I select the COM Add-ins button and press Go. I select the checkbox next to Excel Compiler and press OK. You may get the menu back instantly, but sometimes you need to restart Microsoft Excel for the change to take effect. As you can now see, the DoneEx menu is back. Thank you for watching this DoneEx XCell Compiler tutorial.